Well, the advantages of a root canal are that you're able to keep the tooth in your mouth, number one. Number two, it gets you out of pain. Number three, it allows us to build a better support or an anchor in the tooth if the tooth is lacking anchorage, so we can build a crown or a bridge that fits well and functions well. And so the root canal gives us the ability to keep a tooth in the mouth and to keep it healthy long term. The symptoms of why one might need a root canal are many. They include pain, to biting or chewing, a constant ache or a throb. It could be as a result of a tooth that's had trauma. Maybe the tooth is starting to discolor, which is an indication that the tooth might need a root canal. But the interesting thing is that a lot of patients that need a root canal don't even know it, because once a tooth dies, then there's no longer any feeling in the tooth. And unless you have a really big infection, sometimes people don't actually even feel the problem that's associated with the root canal. And so that's why it's important to come into a dentist office on a regular basis to have regular x-rays done so we can evaluate the tooth and make sure that your teeth are healthy and not in need of a root canal. So one of the areas that's most important in a root canal is the proper cleaning and shaping of the canal system. And it's very important that the doctor stays up on top of the technology and using the latest instrumentation, disinfectants, and processes to clean the inside of the tooth out. And then the other thing that's very important is using the latest materials to fill and seal the root canal system. Because without doing that in a proper way, then the chance of success of a root canal starts to go way down. The good news is that root canals are very successful. Millions of people all over the world have had their teeth saved, and they've kept their teeth long term as a result of having root canal therapy.